In the gate. And they're off. Stony Gold broke the best. Southern Styles away sharp and racing out for that lead. Settlers Hawk and Code Runner take back off the early pace. They move down the back stretch. So it is Stony Gold, the pacemaker. Southern Style is right there second and on the inside. 3 lengths back to Code Runner, and Settlers Hawk is at the back of the pack. So down the back stretch run. Stony Gold has a narrow lead over Southern Style. There's 4 furlongs to go. They put down a first quarter in 22 2 seconds over the sloppy racetrack today. Knocking heads indeed are Stony Gold and Southern Style. 3 lengths back to Settlers Hawk, who's in a drive trying to keep up in third, and Code Runner has dropped well behind fourth. Midway on the far turn, Stony Gold and Southern Style continue in tandem as they race past the quarter pole with Settlers Hawk in a full-out drive trying to get by in third, and they've just gone a half in 45 2 seconds. Quick pace, top of the stretch, Stony Gold and Settlers Hawk. They are shoulder to shoulder with 1 furlong left. Farther back, Settlers Hawk third outside. 16th to go, Stony Gold and Southern Style. Southern Style inside, Stony Gold outside. They have been at each other ever since the start. Here's the wire, and Southern Style got it. I think that was the only time Southern Style was in front, was right on the wire. Stony Gold third, Settlers Hawk and Code Runner.